Hi all, welcome to Creations Unlimited. Today we are going to make this Rakhi. Materials required are easily available at home. We will need wool or thread, fabric glue, some sequences or beads, cardboard piece, acrylic paint or poster color. You may use nail polish also, and brush for painting. So let us start. I am using the stencil for marking the circles. You may take a bottle cap also. We will need 2 circles of same size for the base of Rakhi. Other than that, we will need one smaller circle for the top of the Rakhi, which we are going to decorate. This way we will have 3 circles. Now take 30 inches long wool or thread. Fold it into half and stick it on one of the circle cardboard, which will be the base of our Rakhi. After that, take the smaller circle and stick the embellishments of your choice on it. And keep it away for drying. Now take the wool or thread again and start rolling it around the scale or visiting card. We want around 4 cm width for the visiting card. Roll the wool for around 30 times. Cut the extra wool. Now remove the wool bundle from the scale or visiting card, and with the help of a small piece of wool, tie a knot around the wool. Knot should be tied exactly in the center of the wool bundle. Do this very slowly. We don't want to disturb the wool bundle. Also make the knots tight. Spread the wool in circle shape. With the help of scissors, cut the ends of wool. Make a proper circle. Take one circle cardboard and apply glue on it and stick it on the woolen circle. With the help of hair brush, comb the wool. Do this very slowly, otherwise woolen strands may pull out. Stick the small top circle on the top. Keep it aside for some time for the glue to dry. Now it's time to insert the beads in the string. For doing so, apply glue dot on the end of the string and roll the string for some time so that the glue becomes hard and the string also becomes hard. This way we can insert the beads in the string. After inserting the beads, tie a knot to secure the beads in place. If you like my videos, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. Now stick the 2 circles to each other by applying glue. Stick them firmly. On the back side of our Rakhi, cardboard is seen where we can apply acrylic color or poster color. I am using golden color. You can choose the same Rakhi wool color. Give some time for the color to dry. Here is our Rakhi ready. Bye for now. Happy crafting.